If you do any of these next 5 things, you could be slowly killing your live stream. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Thumb Tacos live streamer tips playlist. This is where I talk about things related to streaming. I do stream on Facebook Gaming, but maybe you stream on other platforms. Most of my tips are universal, so I hope you stick around. Let's talk about stream killing. Stream killing is stuff that we get into bad habits and we keep doing things that negatively affect our stream that we don't really realize we're doing. We're slowly killing ourselves as streamers. So I wanted to make a video real quick talking about 5 different things that you might be doing without really thinking about it. It's time to turn that around. Topic number 1, talking about financial problems on your live stream. Never put the focus on money when you are live streaming. It doesn't matter if you aren't even meaning to talk about it, or maybe you are just actually stressed out because things aren't going your way, or you're going to be tight on bills or any of that kind of stuff. Complaining about this stuff on a platform when you're live streaming can make viewers feel bad. If you make your audience feel guilty or uncomfortable, they leave. And unfortunately, talking about money or asking or relating like your financial issues with the lack of money generated from your stream is only going to drive more people away from your stream, and you will get less and less stars or bits or whatever for your stream. So never talk about financial problems on your stream as a general rule. Sure, if you get like hit with like a vet bill or something, you can complain about on the stream, be like, oh yeah, this cost me this much or whatever. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like real like bad times or turning it around on your audience to support you. Because if you do it once and you do it again, and then if you do it a third time and you keep going, it becomes a repetitive thing. It kills your audience. Topic number 2, having bad audio on your live stream is awful. If you got echo, if distortion, or your audio is only coming out of one side of a speaker, this is really bad news for your viewers. They can't stand it. You will lose viewership. And if you can't pick up on it right away, and it's just enough to slowly drive people out every time you stream, you might not realize there's an issue. Do not pull any shortcuts when it comes to audio. Get a good microphone, learn how to use it, learn about OBS filters, and learn about other plugins that you can put on your OBS to enhance your audio. Stuff like Reaper plugins, which I use on mine all the time. Make sure you look into these things for your audio. Don't cut corners. If you have a headset, it might be time to get off the headset. Audio first. I always say that all the time. Audio is number 1, then you worry about the camera and all that other stuff. Topic number 3. Bad alert placement. You have to be mindful of your viewers' experience whenever you set up your overlays and where you place your cameras and where you are on the screen and where your gameplay is and all this stuff, but you also have to pay attention where your alerts go. I've seen a lot of streams where they have a giant alert right in the middle of the video, and they have it for likes, and all of a sudden they start getting a ton of likes, and it just completely blocks the view, or the game experience is kind of lost when people like the stream. Now, it's good to like give the shout out to the people that like the stream, but on the other hand, it's bad for the viewers to not be able to view what you're doing because you have alerts. So pay attention to alert placement, pay attention to the variety of your alerts, and make sure they're not overbearing or not too loud or too quiet. This is kind of like a new territory that I'm stepping into because I get a lot of alerts. So I tried to make as many varieties as I could and kind of place them off to the side and kind of keep the flow of the gameplay there, but also acknowledging the likes and shares and all that other stuff. I might have to revisit this topic at some point, but make sure you don't have a big smacking one right in the middle unless it's for something really cool like a huge donation or a new supporter or something like that. Then yeah, make a big shout out for it, but you don't want to have your likes being a big thing in the middle, just in general. Topic number 4, don't talk shit about other streamers on your live stream. Do that privately. Hash out your beefs with other people in your own time. Don't do it live. Don't talk about other streamers live. It's never good because the only people that really suffer from it are your viewers. They might watch both of you, and if you're both kind of complaining about it, you might lose that viewership for both sides. Always be mindful of your viewers' experience, and beefing with another streamer is only going to cause negativity in your stream, which is something else that you just don't want. Handle your stuff privately and like grown-ups. And now, if you made it to this point in the video, this is extremely important because this is a lesson hard learned by myself and many other streamers going down the road. Don't use Facebook to promote your Twitch stream in hopes that you're going to build a Twitch stream from your Facebook stream. You can transfer some audience over there, but there's a big misunderstanding between these platforms. Facebook audience and a Twitch audience are not the same thing. Their experiences are incredibly different. A lot of people on Facebook use their cell phones and they broadcast mobilely, and it works great for that. But you know what doesn't? Twitch. Twitch's mobile isn't good. It cuts out, it breaks down, it doesn't have a shared buffering for everybody. When you transfer that over, it's going to be too foreign, and you're asking a lot for your audience to shift over. It would almost probably be easier to go from Twitch to Facebook than from Facebook to Twitch. And there are a few pros and cons to Twitch, of course. Twitch does look better when it works. They have a lot of other interactive features for your audience to play games with you and everything else. Those are all good things. You should stream on Twitch if you feel like trying it out. But thinking that you're just going to be able to jump from here to over here and it's going to be this clean thing and then you can use Facebook to drive traffic over, you're going to do two things. It's going to be hard and you're going to realize that there's no push or algorithm on Twitch, and that's going to get to you eventually. Two, your Facebook audience is going to get annoyed with you what you're doing on the Facebook side of things. If you're just using it as the bridge, they're going to be like, I really don't give a shit about coming over there, and I really don't need to see your videos anymore because I'm not interested in seeing promo videos or half videos for that other one. Now, there are ways to do this in a better light. You could cross-post to both at the same time. That way you're not actually directly trying to bring people to one side or the other. You're just broadcasting. Also, restream and all that stuff is a real possibility to work. You just have to understand the rules between affiliate and partner and all that kind of stuff, so you're not breaking any of the actual rules here. But there's even a way to double broadcast and have two different overlays with two different computers broadcasting the same live stream in a different way to two different platforms at the same time. That is a very interesting new thing that I've talked about. My friend from Saveroth Gaming, who we've sat down and talked to before in one of the other playlists for streamer sessions, actually has done this, and it seems to be working all right. I should probably reach out to him and have a conversation about it. It's like, it's better than Restream because it has the best of both worlds and you're not breaking any rules. So you could be affiliate on Twitch and you could be partnered on Facebook and you're given two different shows. Look, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribe to the channel. That way you can keep up with my weekly content and making us all better streamers on this playlist. I am always looking for more tips and more ways to improve my stream and trying to get better. So that's why I make these videos, so I can get what I learn all out the door, start learning some new stuff, and we can start talking. So get in those comments. Tell me what's going on. If you guys ever want to chat live, my live link is in the description. And if you need any free music for your content creation, check out rad-audio.com. Thank you.
My shell crunch brings all the joy to the yard. I'm like, it's making me hard. Damn right, it's making you hard. You can eat me, but half in shard.